Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about how we can create levels with the help of Dynamo. Uh, First of all, I just wanted to tell you that my planning uh, was telling you like how we can create Revit elements like ducts, trays, pipes with the help of line that we have covered in our last video. But unfortunately, in my system, I got virus, and due to that, I needed to reboot my whole system. So right now, if you'll see, I have opened this is viewer mode, and there are some constraints for the viewer mode. There are a lot of things that will not be happen in viewer mode. But yeah, I'll cover those kind of videos as well, and sometime when I'll get proper Revit in my system. But meanwhile, we can proceed on other Dynamo scripts. So in this one, we'll see how we can create levels with the help of Dynamo. After that, we'll see how we can create the plan views, floor plan, ceiling plan views with the help of those levels, with the help of Dynamo, of course. And after that, we'll create the sheets and we'll drag those sheets on the views on the sheets. So these kind of planning I have in these Dynamo sessions. In this one we'll cover how we can create the levels. Let's see how much we can cover in this one. So right now I'll open a new Revit session. I'll go with system default metric. And as we know that in default system, we already have two Revit levels. So if you want to just cross check, so we can go with any elevation or we can cut a section, of course. So right there we can see there are two levels, level 1 at the 0 offset and level 2 at the 4000 offset. So I wanted to create some more levels. Yeah, of course, we have one command right there in architecture tab. Right there, we can have levels and we can create the levels. But in this one, we are looking for Dynamo things, how we can automate the things. So in this one, we'll see how we can create with the help of Dynamo. So I'll go in Manage tab. I'll open the Dynamo. Let it be open. After that, we'll discuss. Yeah, so right here, I'll open a new new Dynamo session. And first of all, I'll click on manual mode of this one. So first of all, that's basic thing is if I wanted to create something like I wanted to create the level, so I'll search right here level. Okay, and if I wanted to create that level, so I'll click on the actual command. um, I know that command. If you are working on the Dynamo, you'll know that which node you need to search. Okay, so that's very simple. Otherwise, you can search by level, and you can go through all those kind of elements. So you'll find this plus icon means it'll create something. So that is what we needed. So right there, there are four options with the help of we can create the levels. Right now, I'll go with the by level and offset because we are at the beginning stage. So we'll not create this much complicated. So we'll go smoothly. So I'll click on by level and offset. If you want to see the description right there, you can read create a level given its length. Length means offset um, from an existing level. Whatever will select the level from there, we can give the offset and it'll create the level. Okay. So in this one, we'll create one single level and we'll see how it'll work. So first of all, it needs the level from which we can give the offset. Okay. So for that one, I'll search for select model element so that I can click on that particular level and we can assign it as element and offset. For the offset, I'll go with the number slider maybe. So I'll go with the number slider. Why I'm going for the number slider? We can go with the number as well, but I'll tell you why I'm going with this one. Okay. So right here, I know that offset will not be like 1, 2, 3 something like that. It'll be in thousands. Okay. So I'll start with minimum of 1000 and maximum of 10,000, and the step should be 1,000. Like it should be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, something like that. It will go like that. You can see. So it should be like that. Um, Now, if I want to directly give the offset, so I can click. So for now, I'm giving the offset of 4,000. Suppose I can write right there as well if you want 4,000 and we can give directly offset. I have given the offset, but I did not select the element till now. So I'll click on the select and I'll go and Revit. I'll select that particular level from which I want to give the offset. From right there, for the 5,000 above, I want the level. So now I'll go in Dynamo. I'll run the Dynamo and I'll see the output right there. It has run. Now I'll go in Revit. I can see the level 3 has been created at 8,000 from this and 4,000 from this. But if suppose I wanted to create multiple levels, so how I can do that thing? So for that one, what I'll do, I'll go like, well, make it a little bit complicated. So suppose I wanted to create multiple levels at once. So how I can do that thing? We will use the same node, but we'll modify something right there. So if we want multiple levels, so for that one, we'll use one node that is sequence. What is the use of sequence? We'll see in this video. So first of all, right there we can see there are three inputs needed for the sequence command. Okay, so just imagine I wanted to create a level at minimum offset. What minimum offset we needed is the 5,000, 4,000, whatever we are giving from that particular level. Okay, so I'll give the start point, like from where it can take the start offset. So it should be 4,000 minimum from that particular level from which we wanted to create the new level. Okay, like what we have created right now. But our step means that the next level at which offset it will take. So obviously I want that each level will be at the 4,000 offset, or we can change as well. But I want that each level that I'm creating right now with the help of Dynamo, it'll take 4,000 offset for each level. So I'll give the step for each level's offset will be 4,000 amount. How many levels I want to create? So for that one as well, I'll create a number slider so that we can vary that one as well. But this number will go to from 1 to something like that. So what I'll do, sorry, what I'll do, I'll start from 1. Maximum I can take whatever 50 if I want to go, and it should be in 1. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Okay. For now, I'm going to create four new levels. So I'll click on the amount I want for levels. The start offset will be 4,000 and the steps will be 4,000. It means each 4,000 will get the new level till new four levels. Okay. But as we know that if I'll freeze this and if I'll run this command, I can see right here 4,000, 8,000, 12,000, 16,000. Okay. So these four levels offset we have, and I want those levels as well. So what I'll do, I'll connect this sequence, this offset directly with this one. And now I already selected the levels. So I'll just run the Dynamo script. And I can see there are four levels like level 4, 5, 6, 7. Why? Because 3 is already created earlier when we have run the Dynamo script. So if you will see, there are level 5, 4, sorry, level 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that. We have created four new levels, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is how we can create the levels with the help of uh, 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 Dynamo. But level 3 is missing. So where is the level 3? So first of all, we'll go in floor plan. Sorry, we'll go in view tab, plan views, floor plan. I'll uncheck this one. We'll see level 3 is missing from right there because we have run the same Dynamo script, modify the Dynamo script, and we have run again the Dynamo script with another data. So that is why it has removed that one and the created new one. So for this one, what we'll do, we'll close this Revit and we'll run the same Dynamo script one more time. Would like to save the changes. It's asking about Dynamo or like what? No. Oh man, I have closed the Dynamo script. Okay, no issues. We'll create the new Dynamo script. Will start from scratch as well. Okay, so I have created new Revit model again. So I'll go in one elevation. I'll click on manage Dynamo. I should save that Dynamo script, but no worries. Let's see what happens. Now it should be level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Okay. Actually, I have already a Dynamo script like that one. So I'll open that one. Right there, what I'll do, I'll just click on the level. There is offset for that level. There's the same Dynamo script, but I just renamed those kind of things. Sequence we already applied, and this node level, dot by level, and offset we have applied. We have given the offset of 5000 and we need 5 more levels. Okay, so I'll click on the level and I'll run the Dynamo script. Right there we have 5 levels, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'll go right there. If I want to see, yeah, we can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these are the levels that we have created with the help of Dynamo. Uh, Now, if I this video is becoming more lengthier than I expected. So what I'll do, I'll cover the next portion in next video. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.